Hello everyone, welcome to Ansari Brother Technology channel. In this video, we are demonstrating how to run multiple applications using Docker. For this, we require Docker, Git client, VS Code, Postman extension in VS Code, our previous videos on Docker. Here, we are using MD Express server to invoke some routes which create and retrieve the data from MongoDB. We have added a new branch to existing Git repo whose link is provided in the description. Let us begin. For connecting MD Express server container to MongoDB container, we must use Docker network to establish a shared network in order to connect them. We need to create a Docker network. Once our network is created, we are going to run MD Express server whose build is already been created, which was there in our last previous video. So we are going to run it. Here in this run command, we are having an additional option hyphen name which get attached to container ID. So for further processing, we are going to use this name instead of container ID. Additionally, we need to specify the network also. So we are going to provide the network name which we have created in the previous command. As you can see, our container started. Now we will see its log. As you can see, the log has been printed, but there is one error. This error is related to Mongo container not running, and our Node Express server is unable to connect to Mongo. So first we need to start the Mongo container also. For that, again we are adding one optional flag name over here also and specifying the network over here. Additionally, we need to specify network alias. By specifying the network alias, we are going to use it as a host entry for connecting MongoDB instead of localhost. Now our Mongo container started. We will see its log. Now we are going to restart the MD Express server because it was exited due to an error. As the server started, we'll see its log. So our Node Express server is running. Now let's see few routes whether our MD Express server is running or not. So we are going to hit the default route. So our server is running. Now we will see several routes which are going to be used to execute some Mongo command. So this is the create route which is going to create the data with the format of first name and last name. So this is the data which is got created. Again, we are going to create one more data. So this is the second data which got created. Now we will retrieve the data. So we need to specify the body and we are going to hit the retrieve route. So as you can see, the data is coming from the retrieve route and we are going to hit again the retrieve route for another data. As you have seen, the data which got created with the help of create route and we have retrieved the data from the retrieve route. So let us see this from the Mongo container. So we are running Mongo shell. Here we will see the databases. You can see our locally MD user is locally created where we have executed the create and retrieve queries. So you can see both the user record has been appearing over here. As you can see, our app server container is successfully connected with the Mongo container. So we conclude our tutorial over here. If you have any query, please reach out us in comment. Thank you for watching with us. Do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.